guess what? Today's YouTube video is raining. Let's play. It's raining down in Africa now. So we'll play that music. It is raining down. Africa is gonna be our YouTube video tonight. So now we're gonna check it out now. So also look here. Oh wait now. There we go. Please make sure we hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Our YouTube channel is almost 100 subscribers. So look closely here. Please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button. So currently we have 96 subscribers. Meaning probably be sometime beginning August we should reach 100 subscribers. So you can also pretty sure you can watch my other videos here, right here. Which are police videos here. Happy Father's Day, July 4th Turkey Towers, and another game of Tetris 99. Please make sure you like and subscribe. 17 views in the Tetris 99 video, 15 views of the Turkey Towers video, and a whopping 29 views in the Father's Day Uno video, which is our last Uno video. But this Uno video, it's raining down in Africa Uno. Let's listen to our AI voice. We're going to hear funny parts. We'll hear it soon. Ready? Turn up the volume and you hear it. Like this. So let's listen to this. Alright. Wait a minute. Let's see.
The Linden Grove School software was closed because an error. The Linden Grove School software was closed because an error occurred. Because this TV screen or this Nintendo switched the screen instead of having a 16:9 aspect ratio, it has a Linden Grove School rectangle aspect ratio. In a Linden Grove School rectangle aspect ratio equals to a 16:10 aspect ratio.
Now that's over. Now let's do it. Listen to this. Listen to this.
Hey Alexa, can you please play It's Raining Down in Africa?
Okay, here's Raining Down in Africa on Amazon Music.
I'm secure.
Now let's begin this game and now at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Raining Down in Africa Uno. Soon the song will begin here in a second. There we go. There we go. No, we got a 7 first card, which is a 7. Raining Down in Africa Uno. Let's see, adding joke to my card. Oh, a green 0. A yellow 0. No, yellow 1. Draw cards for this player. A yellow 8. Now it's back to Adam Jones' turn. A yellow 7. A yellow 2. Yellow 5. Now, green 5, changing color. Wild card, change to red. Wild possible color. Change it to yellow. So the game kind of froze just a split second. I got 4 more cards. Zoom normally. A wild +2. We got the AI now. Let's see. This player is to draw cards again. Oh, 50. Target AI. Hopefully the top player. Hopefully it is not the top player who needs to draw 4 cards. Good. AI needs to draw now 4. There we go. Wild card. Change it to yellow. Okay. It's Andrew's turn now. Let's see. Taking a little bit of time to lay down the card. Okay, yellow 4. Yellow 9. Jump in. Green 9. The AI lay down. Green skip. Now, yellow skip. This video is going to be only 1 round, you know? Okay. This is going to be only 1 game. Okay, no. We got red skip. Friday was only 1 game the last time. Now, we won win. But this one's going to be the same exact game laying down Africa Union. There's a 1 +4 card. Change that color to blue. Split second frozen. Yeah, stack another +4 to get it +8. While +4 change it to red. Reverse it. AI got 8 more cards. AI's almost about to lose game. Oh, a 0. Oh, we got to win the game. There's red 6. Jump in. Red 8. Let's see. Let's see. A red 7. He wants a card back for Joe. Alright, let's put it over the draw again. Okay. A red 1. Red 3. Red 9. Looks like this player said no. Red 4. Blue with the blue 4. Blue 8. Blue 2. And then the AI is about to win. The Andrew is about to win this hand. Let's see. Okay. Now, let's check the score. 297 points. Checking profile scores. 7,000 points. In the course of the Big Bill profile score. Video's over. The game's over. Now, wait a minute. Let's join out. And the official screening of Junie and here you go. Now, let's join out. Let's join out. And this. Now. This YouTube video is also sponsored by this screenshot on the Nintendo Switch. Check out this screenshot on this Nintendo Switch of the game we just played. Right there. Now, that was a DLC screenshot. Now, let's listen this one more time.
The Linden Grove School software was closed because an error occurred. Because this TV screen or this Nintendo Switch, the screen, instead of having a 16:9 aspect ratio, it has a Linden Grove School rectangle aspect ratio. In a Linden Grove School rectangle aspect ratio equals to a 16:10 aspect ratio.
Something else again? There you go.
Did naked video, did not naked video.
Wait till I'm finished. Then I'm gonna do this. So also, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more notifications. We almost hit 100 subscribers. Let's see. And also, see, we just had 96 subscribers on our YouTube channel right here. 96 subscribers. And please make sure you watch my previous videos here. Another game, Tetris 99, 17 views. Happy Drive for Tricky Towers, 15 views. Just a little bit less than that, a little bit more than that. Binding total now with Happy Father's Day Uno, the last Uno video, 29 views. And that makes us, and then please make sure to watch those. Now, great job. Listen to this video. Okay, now we'll start recording. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye bye.